What up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Wake Up with Wops. Let's get into the market analysis. We're looking at the SPY, the S&P 500, top 500 companies in the stock market. You can see since the Fed talk last week, we've been getting some red days, some volatile days with this candle, and then we even gapped down on Friday under the 9 EMA and 20 SMA moving averages. It's not looking too bad. It's looking like a healthy pullback because you can see here we still have the last resistance here. So technically, we could get a deeper pullback to this 50 SMA or even maybe this white line, and then it'll be a good time to find support there and continue going up to all-time highs. So right now, I'm not really looking to get into positions, but if we get a deeper pullback then and some relative strength in the index and the ETF, then I will be really enticed to jump on some trades. Kind of the same with the QQQ. You can see here, volatile day here, and then we gap down on Friday. RSP is basically the same thing as SPY, looking at the 500 top companies. The only thing this is that it's equally weighted. So the SPY, it's heavily weighted on large companies like Apple and Amazon, but RSP is basically equally weighted between all 500 companies, not giving favor to any large market caps. And you can see here they're having even a deeper pullback as the market pulls back. We're at the 50 SMA on the RSP ETF. We're still above the 200 SMA, so hopefully if we go lower, we find some support here and then continue going up. IWM, this is basically following 2,000 stocks. These are small cap stocks. This kind of shows you how the risk in the market is looking. And the risk is looking like people are selling. You could see here, big gap down even to the 200 SMA and then 50 SMA. It looks like there's a hammer candle here, so maybe we find some strength this week coming up. But risk on assets look like they are getting sold right now. Quick look at Bitcoin. I knew there was going to be some type of support around the 112, 111 area. You can see on the daily chart, that's where our 50 SMA is. And then if you go to our weekly chart, that's where the 9 EMA is, this blue line here at 111. So hopefully we keep support there, maybe consolidate, and then we look good. Or maybe a deeper pullback to one of these averages, but not too crazy. Others, this is the crypto market excluding Bitcoin and the top 10 altcoins like Ethereum, XRP, Solana. You can see here we're finding some support at the 50 SMA and 200 SMA moving averages. Hopefully we continue remounting this short-term trends, the 9 EMA and 20 SMA, and we continue going higher. You can see this line, I broke out of a long range here with this white line. Then we pulled back because of the tariff news and the Fed and everything, but hopefully we find some strength, get some buyers coming in, and we continue going up. Now, crypto swings, guys. I sold my Pengu. I'm not liking the formation, the pattern anymore, so I got out. I'm going to continue wait maybe for a deeper pullback. You can see here it's kind of forming a bear flag, which is the opposite of this bull flag you see here. With the pull, then you got the flag, and then it breaks up. Here you got the pull, the flag, and then it could break down even lower. So I got out. Same thing with H bar. You can see here might form a little consolidation here, and then it could go for a deeper pullback. I'm watching it. I want to go back into it, and we'll keep looking to see if we hop into any other new trades. And that is it for now.